What if aging is not simply the passage of time? What if some parts of aging could actually be repaired? Scientists may have discovered something extraordinary. In a groundbreaking study, researchers restored old blood stem cells to a youthful state in mice. Blood stem cells are responsible for creating every blood and immune cell in the body. But as we age, these stem cells slowly lose their power. The immune system weakens, inflammation increases, and the risk of disease rises dramatically. For years, scientists believed this decline was irreversible. To understand why aging happens, researchers looked deep inside old stem cells, and they found tiny structures called lysosomes were malfunctioning. Lysosomes are the recycling centers of the cell. They break down waste and recycle damaged material. In young stem cells, lysosomes work in balance, but in aging cells, the lysosomes became hyperactive, too acidic, and damaged. The damaged lysosomes triggered a chain reaction inside the cell. Mitochondria began leaking mitochondrial DNA into the cell itself. That activated a powerful inflammatory alarm system known as Cas-sting. The result was chronic internal inflammation, and the stem cells lost their ability to regenerate healthy blood and immune cells. The researchers realized something remarkable. Old stem cells were not simply becoming weak, they were trapped in a dangerous state of cellular overdrive. So the scientists tried something unexpected. Instead of stimulating the cells, they slowed the lysosomes down. Using a molecule that reduced lysosomal activity, they restored balance inside the aging stem cells, and the results were dramatic. Inflammation dropped, mitochondria became healthier, and old stem cells began behaving like young cells again. The rejuvenated stem cells produced healthier blood cells, stronger immune cells, and regained their ability to self-renew. In some experiments, their blood-forming ability improved more than 8-fold, a remarkable recovery for old stem cells. This research was performed in mice, and scientists are still far from applying it in humans. But the implications are enormous. The discovery could one day improve regenerative medicine, stem cell therapy, and treatments for age-related diseases. More importantly, it changes how scientists think about aging itself. Perhaps aging is not simply wear and tear. Perhaps some parts of aging can actually be repaired.